true revolution in American muscle car history was quietly set into motion with the 1963 Pontiac Tempest GTO, a machine that defied expectations and laid the foundation for high-performance legends. At a time when raw power and aggressive styling were not yet the standard, this car emerged as a daring experiment that forever altered the automotive landscape. But what made it so groundbreaking, and why is it still revered today? Designed to bridge the gap between practicality and high-speed thrills, the 1963 Tempest GTO was not just another mid-size car, it was a statement. Pontiac engineers, led by the visionary John DeLorean, pushed boundaries by equipping the Tempest with a powerful V8, transforming an otherwise modest vehicle into a street-dominating beast. While the standard Tempest was offered with smaller engines, the GTO package introduced the now iconic 389 cubic inch V8, producing an exhilarating 325 horsepower. This upgrade gave birth to a performance movement, making the GTO an instant classic. The Tempest GTO was not merely about power, it was a masterstroke of engineering. Unlike its competitors, it featured a rear transaxle design, ensuring near-perfect weight distribution and superior handling for its time. This unconventional setup, combined with a lightweight frame, allowed the car to achieve breathtaking acceleration while maintaining impressive road control. Whether roaring down straightaways or tackling tight corners, the GTO delivered a driving experience that was both thrilling and refined. Inside, the cabin was a blend of sporty aggression and everyday usability. The driver-focused layout featured a 3-spoke steering wheel, bucket seats, and a center console, creating an environment that emphasized control and comfort. High-quality materials, chrome accents, and a no-nonsense gauge cluster added to the car's dynamic persona, making it clear that this Pontiac was built for those who demanded more than just transportation. When introduced, the Tempest GTO carried a base price of around $3,200, an affordable figure considering the raw performance it delivered. Today, however, its rarity and historical significance have turned it into a collector's dream. Pristine examples command well over $100,000 at auctions, with certain high-spec models reaching even greater values. As a pioneer of the muscle car era, its impact is undeniable, and its desirability continues to grow. This Pontiac wasn't just a car, it was a rebellion against the norm. A machine that proved enthusiasts wanted performance wrapped in an unassuming package. The Tempest GTO set the stage for the legendary muscle car wars that followed, making it one of the most influential American vehicles ever built. Could a modern revival of the GTO capture the same magic? Join our community and let us know if Pontiac's legend still holds the crown in the muscle car kingdom.